I sold below this bear bar. Um, to be honest, I can't tell if I'm forcing a trade because I didn't get a trade all day, or if I'm actually seeing it as a reasonable setup. But I mean, I can rationalize it. My reasoning for the trade is that we're high in the trading range. We had a tight trading range here and a failed breakout. So a failed breakout of a final flag at the top of a trading range day. We didn't get a good signal bar to trigger, but then we got two bear bars down here. So I thought that might be reasonable to swing for a swing down to the open of the day, or any of these higher lows. It's at the bottom of this tight trading range, or this trading range here, but it's high in the overall trading range of the day. So I thought it was reasonable to take. It is weak because of these tails here, so it's weaker than I'd like it to be, but I think the context is okay. And so if I had taken 2 or 3 trades today, I'm guessing I probably would not have taken this. But it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell right now if I'm forcing it or if it's actually a legit setup. I sold 10 shares, stop up here, thinking that after the 2 bear bars, even though it's a double bottom bull flag, I thought the first reversal up would be sold. So worst case, I'd exit below a second entry buy. And if we pull back here, I think we'll get a higher low, and then I can add below that. So that was my reasoning. We'll see how it works out. So decent bull bar for double bottom bull flag. But after the 2 bear bars here, I'm not sure if it's worth it to exit above that. Now we'll see if this bar is just an opportunity to get out break even. Because it's back down to my entry. So I didn't trigger the buy and it's back down to my entry. I wonder if that's a break even opportunity. It looks like it was. I think I'll exit above this now because now we have a micro double bottom as well. So just exit above it. I lost 380. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Not really happy with it. But the logic made sense. I don't know if it was strong enough to actually take, but I think it was probably a little bit forced, even though the logic made sense. So it looks like I would have been okay had I stayed in and respected the stop. We did get a higher low and ended up getting a breakdown to test this higher low. Sorry, we ended up getting a lower high and we got to move down to test this higher low and potentially the open of the day. So a little quick to exit. I still think it was forced because I normally wouldn't take that, but the logic did make sense and it looks like it would have been okay had I kept it.